Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your Tesla as it appears on the screen and also in the Tesla app. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to hit that three dot button, and then you choose Toy Box, and then you have the colorizer choice, and then you can touch the customize button, and here you can adjust the colors just as you like. You can choose metallic, matte, solid, and you can also add the colors down here, so you can easily change them. Okay, let's choose this green, and as you can see, green. Okay, so that's how you change the color of your Tesla as it appears on the screen and also in the Tesla app.